Hello YouTubers, welcome to my video. My name is Ditloma UG, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp using an Android device. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, click settings, click account, and click two-step verification. There you are. Now you can go ahead and click on turn off and then confirm it. You get a notification that tells you that two-step verification has been turned off. So if you like this video, you can go ahead and click on the thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video that I'm going to be uploading. Thank you for watching my video, and peace.